Hey, is that Peter? Hi, Peter. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
Hi, Peter. My name's Samuel. I think we just missed each other a couple of times, but great to speak. I was just calling about your apartment that you've got on. I saw it on Gumtree.
Yeah.
So it looks good. I think you said that the I was looking at the pictures. I think does it come furnished?
It does.
Okay, fantastic. And it's on for £950 per calendar month. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. Awesome. Fantastic. So basically, my situation is.
I'm just trying to get out of I'm just trying to get out of a car park here.
Ah, that's okay. That's all right. No worries.
I'll call you back in 2 minutes, big man.
All right, Peter. I'll speak to you in a minute. Okay, so basically what happened was, at the Property Investors Crash Course, I said to someone, I was telling them how to find rent-to-rent deals, rent-to-service accommodation deals. I said, someone just give me an area. And someone shouted out Belfast, which is obviously not even in this country, Belfast in Ireland. So I went on Belfast, went on Gumtree, saw a really, really nice apartment. Landlord's details direct. It's just come on Gumtree. I just phoned up. He didn't answer, and I said, I just left a message. I said, my name's Samuel, I've got a company, looking to do corporate let, see if that's something you're open to, give me a call back. He phoned me back while I was on stage. Now we're on a short break. Alistair's doing something on stage, so I just nipped out. I'm gonna talk to him, I'm gonna tell him what I'm doing, secure the deal right here, right there, book a viewing and see what happens. And I think this is what you gotta do. You just gotta, I could spend hours and hours teaching people the theory, but what you'll find at my programs is we don't do theory, we do practical. It's like when you learn to drive, you've got to just get in the car and drive. So that's what we do now. So hopefully, he'll come, it was a bit of a bad line, but he'll call me back in a second and I'll secure a viewing. But I need to tell him up front when I'm booking the viewing that I'm going to be doing it as a rent-to-rent service accommodation. In other words, it's a corporate let, it's a company let. So yeah, man, see what happens, exciting times. Hello. Hey, I'm really good, thanks. Sorry. Okay, cool. So, I'd love to have a look round your apartment. It looks really nice, and I love the fact that it's furnished and the location is absolutely fantastic. Are you the landlord? Do you own the apartment?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. That's not a bad investment for you. Have you got more than one in the block, or is it just that one you've got?
No, just that one. Yeah.
Okay, nice, fantastic. So basically, yeah. So I've got a company. So it would be a corporate let. I don't know if that's something that you've done before with this particular property, but I could look round. I could do Tuesday or Thursday next week if either of those are any good.
Tuesday would work well.
Tuesday. Okay, what time?
Let me see. Probably around sometime about 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock works. That's fine. Okay, cool. I know where it is because I've got the address, but perhaps if you could just text over the exact address and then just confirmation, and I'll see you at 3 o'clock on Tuesday.
Brilliant. Happy days, that'll be good. And is it you be moving in yourself, or are you paying it for a company?
No, I wouldn't be living there myself. That's why I say I've got a company, but yeah, I mean we can talk through that when I see you as well, how it would work. But we've got quite a few apartments that our company rent. So as far as we're concerned, $950 is fine. So we could just pay that and we could fix fix the term. So yeah, happy days.
Happy days. I'm looking forward to that. What company from? Just curiosity.
Yeah. So my name is Samuel Leeds, and the company is Samuel Leeds Limited.
Very good. And what kind of are you in technology or?
No, we were actually got a real estate business. I mean, if you Google me, you'll see quite a lot of you'll pull up quite a lot of information. So feel free to check me out online by all means.
No, that's good because it's just a lot more legit. I had a few other people that inquired at the minute, like so seeing that you're the owner. So
Yes, yeah. I am the owner indeed. So, all right, that's great. I look forward to meeting you, Peter, on Tuesday at 3 o'clock.
Take care.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Boom! So there we go. So he knows it's a company. Happy days. It does add power being able to say, hey, just Google the company. It does help. So, man, I'm really pleased. So that means I either have to fly to Belfast or ferry to Belfast on Tuesday, or have to arrange for someone else to go. Decisions. But now I have a new problem. You're always gonna have problems in your life. Sometimes people think, how am I gonna view it? What kind of contract am I gonna use? Just cross each bridge as it goes. First problem is finding a landlord that's happy to do a rent service accommodation, a corporate let agreement. He's happy to do it. Now I have a new problem. How am I gonna get there? I'll figure that out. Then I have a new problem. And it's just walking the ABC rather than trying to work out the XYZ all the time. So yeah, man, I'll document it, see what happens. But that is in the prime location in Belfast. I think I can make a lot of money on that rent service accommodation. And I found it on stage at the crash course. Crazy.